Hello great souls, you are welcome to Ife Success and Family channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can prepare this meal. This is Nigerian beans and yam. Stay tuned, I will take you step by step so that you can learn how you can prepare it. Stay tuned, keep watching. So you start by selecting the good beans and take off all the bad article from it, so to avoid stone in your beans. So I'm selecting it, I'm taking the bad stains off. Yeah, so make sure you do that. So you can see that is the bad stuff. Now I finished selecting the bad stuff out of it. Now I'm washing the beans. Make sure you wash your beans thoroughly. Yeah, wash it thoroughly. Make sure you wash it. It's very important. So this is the water. The water is already boiled. I pour the beans that I've already washed first round into the boiled hot water. So I'm going to cover it to allow it to cook for some minutes. And this is it. I'm sieving it out. So always sieve it out for the first before you start cooking, to the end. Yeah, so this is how I prepare my beans and yam. So make sure you take off the first water from the beans. Yeah, so here now are the ingredients I'm going to use: curry and all-purpose spicy and yam. So here I'm blending the red pepper, onion all together. Yeah, so just blending everything all together. Here I finished blending, is ready to use. So this is oil. I use this oil to fry my chicken. So I'm still using it to fry the sauce that I'm going to use for these beans. Yeah, so pour in, after onion, pour in make sure your oil is a bit heat, has already heat up. Pour it and start frying it. Yep, just fry to your own taste. Put on your curry powder and your all-purposes. So that's the amount I'm putting, but you can put the amount you like. So here is the sauce. This is chicken sauce. I'm pouring on the beans that I just sieved the first water out from. So I'm pouring the sauce. Why I cook this chicken is just to use the sauce. The chicken, I'm going to use it for another thing. I just need this sauce. Yeah, I always like to use chicken sauce or meat sauce to cook my beans. Yeah, so that's it, and you just cover it. Don't put too much of water. So as you can see, I just put a little bit that sauce and cover it up, and and just allow it to cook. Here now I've put my yam. Yes, the yam and the beans together. Now I'm going to pour in I've already poured in the sauce. Yeah, everything is marinating together, mixing up together. So here your beans is ready. Look at how it's looking, so yummy. Bring your plates. Bring your plate. Let's eat. This is, if you eat these beans, oh my God, it's so yummy, guys. Grab your plates. Bring your plate. Let me put some for you.